Welcome back. A day after massive crowding at Delhi-Ghaziabad border, the MHA reiterates SOPs for train movements. The Ministry of Home Affairs states that train schedule, departure, etc. has to be well publicized to avoid misunderstanding and to avoid crowding of migrants like what really happened in Ghaziabad yesterday. Remember, thousands of migrants gathered in Ghaziabad. There's a lot of documentation drive was being carried out right there at the spot with those migrants quite naturally visibly not wearing masks, not maintaining social distancing, and details were procured for them to go on to trains. This has been more or less the situation and seen in sites across different states in India where migrants are holding up in one place only to give their details so that they can get a spot on the train or respective buses. Here too in Ghaziabad, the visuals were quite disturbing. No social distancing was maintained whatsoever. Many of them not wearing masks. They were all gathered, desperate to go back home, wanting to give their details to authorities who were taking in their information. Now the MHA guidelines coming in place saying right after this Ghaziabad crowding at the border, MHA reiterates SOP for train movements also. The states that train schedules, departure, etc. has to be well publicized only to avoid any confusion. Let's go over to Kabaljeet for more details on this. Kabaljeet, what we saw in Ghaziabad there was very disturbing. Thousands of migrants who gathered, throwing social distancing to the wind, many of them not wearing masks, and they care least for what COVID-19 is. Their main concern is they want to go home. And a lot of confusion that prevailed about the buses, many of them not having documentations, had to get a seat onto these buses and trains. This confusion now the MHA says must be avoided with state governments making this more streamlined, planning it in advance and announcing it so they don't gather.
One of the key embarrassments for central government has been that there has been large overcrowding, thousands and lakhs of migrant workers walking back to their own destination, several of them trying to actually get into trains. And we saw large overcrowding take place in the Delhi-Ghaziabad area where migrants were trying to board those trains. Now, these Shramik trains have been arranged. But what this SOP now states is it does two things. One is that from point to point, initially the Ministry of Railways would inform and coordinate with the states. There is a talk about coordination, but that power has been taken away from the states. Now it says that those Shramik trains which have been arranged by Ministry of Railways will need coordination from Ministry of Home Affairs. So in a certain sense, whole lot of powers have been usurped and taken by the centre because they believe that the handling needs to be done by them. However, the coordination will still be required by each of the states because they are the ones who will actually screen the passengers and let them board the train. So yes, this is lockdown 4 and key amendments now really coming in. From time to time, we know there's a reiteration of SOP, but two key changes right here. This obviously comes in the wake of the Ghaziabad incident where thousands had crowded up, just avoiding any sort of social distancing and obviously violating the lockdown norm, which seemed to be a great embarrassment, especially for the central government.
Thank you very much for joining us. Let's hope this issue is sorted soon enough. We can't afford for an outbreak which cannot be reversed. Thousands of migrants wanting to go back home. Their only concern is to reach their destination. They care least about COVID-19, which is why authorities must be more careful, sensitize those people who are unaware, ensure that the process of evacuation or even sending them back home is streamlined.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.